Whether you're simply renovating your home or you actually own a construction company, you will know that construction is a massive undertaking that poses the potential for a lot of risks, damage, even delays, costly delays. Luckily, with the right kind of insurance, you can be protected against the odds. And here to unpack the options that are available to us in the construction space is Louis Muzangwa from Standard Insurance Limited. Louis, good to see you again, my friend.
Awesome.
Always good to connect with you. And I've learned a huge amount through this process. But when we look at the construction industry itself, what are the big risks that you guys focus on?
Construction could be a multi-billion-dollar project. So when you have construction of that magnitude, then you actually are exposed to a lot of things that could go wrong. We don't want things to go wrong, but somehow they do go wrong. Yes. So worst case scenario is the loss of multiple lives, not just one, because it could be of catastrophic margins in terms of financially, and also life can be lost when those things go wrong in terms of in construction. And there's also, construction, it doesn't also necessarily stop from the structure itself. It could also result in spillage of other things, consequential loss that could occur beyond the structure itself. I can almost say a domino effect, where it goes on and on, then you end up a resulting loss from a nearby building.
So where do you start when kind of designing your basket of cover in your construction space?
So first of all, you need to know who is in the construction business. So if you know your construction business, you've got engineers, you've got architects, you've got builders, you've got electricians, you've got plumbers. So there are a whole lot of players in the construction field. So if you are an engineer, you could design something that is flawed, or under the impression that you've done the right specifications. Or you could have a builder who gets the right specifications, but one of the employees actually negligently omits to do a specific or build something as per the
part of that process.
Yes, and that,
wow,
and that alone itself can ultimately lead to the collapse of the building. And I've told you the consequences that come with it. So now you must understand, if you're a professional, there's cover for professional indemnity in terms of if you could unintentionally maybe design something that is improper or something that collapses, then there's some kind of error in your work, you've got cover for that, which is actually professional indemnity that you enjoy. Then beyond that, most importantly, I spoke of, in one of our sessions, we spoke of the public liability. That also, you would also need that.
Does come to bear in the construction space,
You understand. So that in itself would also cover you for claims. And these are not small claims. These are huge claims that will come up.
As homeowners, if we are wanting to renovate or maybe even build a home, if we are employing or contracting contract workers, how do we know that they are adequately covered? Can we even know that? And should we get our own insurance regardless? How do you feel about people who are doing their own construction work at home and engaging with the construction industry?
So the instances where, let's say you engage someone to, I'm assuming you want to do maintenance at your house, and someone comes through and for some reason in the process, they don't do things or they break things, or they do something that is what you do not, let's say, defective work, if I could say it. That, unfortunately, is not covered by your policy. Your recourse is against that specific contract. But however...
And that becomes a legal matter.
Yes, you see, and then, but however, there is cover that you can take out to cover yourself, to say, listen, I am taking cover, and I want this contractor to come on that cover, so that should that incident happen, then in that instances, you do enjoy the cover.
So be proactive.
Very much.
Just can't go back in time, unfortunately.
Yes.
Thanks so much. I know a bit of a tough one to broach, but I think out of all of the areas that we've focused on, I mean, no disaster can be weighed up against another, but this particularly, I think the risks in the construction space, particularly, I think that they come with a certain amount of gravitas, and something that anyone entering into that space or currently working in that space really does need to educate them and protect themselves with. So with the right kind of business insurance, you can protect what matters most to you and to other people as well. And for a personalized quote, all you have to do is SMS business, the word business, to 31492, where the Standard Bank team will give you a call, guide you through the process, start that education, and obviously give you a quote. And as an added bonus, once you've SMS'd and you've received that quote, you also stand a chance of winning a state-of-the-art Samsung Galaxy S10. So when you're walking around on site, you can be the envy of everyone else in your crew. But remember, all of the terms and conditions do apply.
Get an insurance quote and stand a chance to win one of 6 Samsung S10 smartphones. Simply SMS the keyword business to 31492 for a call back and quote, and you could be a winner.